Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Manipur Police ki thauna discipline amadi kathokpagi thawong bo awang wathakta thagat kre wafamasi Imphal West laiba ahanba Manipur Rifles ki parade ground da pangthokiba Manipur Police ki chamaga kontraga mari suba raising day gi thoram da phongdokibani thoramada the governor na Manipur Police na lamdamasi da peace thamnabagi dama khotnariba amadi 2023 dagi haurakiba ethnic violence ta miyam gi punsi kanbagi dama Laukiba Thaudangbu Singthaki, Mahakna Makata Radana, peace Hibasi conflict laitaba kakta dunate, society aduda justice amadi harmony lehenba aduni haiki. Thauramada governor na parade contingent sing yengsin bagaloina na Taruk Suba IRB gi commandant Dr. Sarangthem Ibomcha Singh na Luchingbak ceremonial march past ki salute oki. Parade aduda Manipur Rifles IRB gi battalion sing civil police male amadi female 9th IRB Mahila Battalion, Traffic Police, Home Guard, Amadi VDF na Sarukyaki. Taramada the Governor na Additional SP Psycho Mirabai Chanu Amadi Naurem Rosibina Devi Bu Makoigi Sports Ki Lamda Achievement Kaya Fangduna State Amadi Manipur Police Pumalem the Saktak Pugidamak Tagatki. Loina na Outstanding Police Station Battalion Amadi Personnel for Exemplary Service Amadi Dedication Gidamak Trophy amadi award sing suyen thoki Kangpopi Police Station na DGP Trophy for Best Police Station 2025 ki mana fangki Imphal West ki Inspector Gunachandra Chanamda Best Police Officer of the Year ki trophy su lan thoki Tauramadu da tongan ba MLA Singh Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Security Advisor Kuldip Singh Senior Official amadi Police Officer Singh su sarkyaki
Several police personnel made supreme sacrifices in the line of duty during those turbulent months, standing guard at remote outposts, ensuring safe passage of civilians and working round the clock to restore normalcy. Their service is a shining testament to the spirit of Manipur police. Service before self, service always, everywhere. Our police force not only faces the threats of organized crime and drug trafficking, but also bears immense responsibility during festivals, natural calamities and public events. While most of us celebrate with our families, our police personnel are out on the streets ensuring that others can do so safely.